Optimizing reverse logistics. Components of a product lifecycle include design, manufacturing, distribution, marketing, and reverse logistics. Let's take a further look into optimizing your reverse logistics. The 5 R's, as we like to call it: returns management, repair, refurbishment, recycling, and reselling. Number 1, returns management. Streamlining returns management can reduce your carbon footprint. Number 2 and 3, repair and refurbishment. Repair instead of replace to protect your bottom line. Number 4, recycling. A proper recycling program with a certified R2 vendor can keep your products out of the landfill. Number 5, reselling. Marketing a refurbished product can fuel a new revenue stream while promoting a green image. To learn more about the 5 R's, contact PanurgyOEM at www.PanurgyOEM.com.